Hi, Joanne. I wanted to shoot you a quick video of lot 7 here. Flooring is all down. They do have to grout it, but I'm able to walk on it today. So we can take a quick look. Color-wise, this is gonna be similar to the model. So same flooring. The cabinets, instead of white, will be that maple almond, which looks really good. And it will have black hardware. So coming through the Jack and Jill here. Fully tiled shower. Here's the other secondary bedroom. Coming this way, we got the study. Great room, dining area, and kitchen. And again, you can see those maple almond cabinets. It'll have the full white tile backsplash. Here's the primary suite. This one has a DBA, so tub shower combo. Really nice, beautiful tile, black trimming on this one, looks really good. Sink, you have your toilet area here, and then the closet. Alrighty, now, gotta check out the backyard, right? So I'll show you that. Got the covered patio and the pavers. You can see we're gonna start finishing the block wall up there on the right-hand side. Beautiful backyard. And coming back in, the last thing we have to kind of take a look at is the guest suite. So, hanging right here. Laundry. You can see upper cabinets, lower cabinets, and then the sink will be there. Powder bath and secondary bedroom, the suite. You have the closet there, your bathroom, full walk-in tile shower there, and that is a tour. So, any questions, let me know. This should be fully finished by, the end of Monday. So if you have time on maybe Tuesday, definitely text me first, but should be able to see this in person if you'd like. So that's a walkthrough. Any questions? I'm always here. Thanks, Joanne. Bye.